carbohydrates called? Because that's what we're using as an example. The monomers. If it's a carbohydrate, monosaccharides. So my monosaccharides, come on out here.
Your jeans are getting
Monosaccharides, come on out here. Monosaccharide volunteers, come on out here. Okay, so here's the deal. Okay? We're making lots of glucose, and we eat plants, and we're taking in the sugar. Sometimes we eat other things like candy that has a lot of sugar in it, a lot of simple monosaccharides. Okay? When we have a lot of them, though, they're going to start becoming close. And remember those electrons in our molecules and how they go around the outside in the orbitals? Well, when they get close to other molecules and these electrons are going on, they get really super excited and they want to bond. So these monosaccharides are going to get super excited when they get close to one another, and they're going to start bonding. So what I need you guys to do, monosaccharides, is come out over here so Lucky can get it on tape. And I need you guys to start bonding. And the way that you're going to bond is just grab hands. Grab hands. Okay, so grab hands. We're bonding. We're forming a bond. We're forming a bond, okay? We're bonding, right? Not breaking it, okay? We are stronger together. Sharing is caring, okay? We are sharing, we are caring, we are strong, we are unbreakable. And as we bond, Stay bonded, okay? Stay bonded. This is the part, stay bonded. Stay bonded. Because you guys are forming these tight bonds, right? And so you're squeezing really tight because you do not want to let go. You do not want to break apart. You are stronger together. Okay. So, we now have a polysaccharide, right? What was released in the process? Water. Okay? Water was released. You guys lost water, didn't you? Yes. Okay. When you lose water, what happens to you? You become what? Dehydrated. That's what happened here. We had a reaction and dehydration happened. However, at the same time, do you see how we built a bigger molecule? When you make music, you synthesize music. You build things. S-Y-N means to come together. We're coming together. We're synthesizing. We're making something bigger. So not only did dehydration happen, we had synthesis too. That is dehydration synthesis. Look in your pogo on model 2. In model 2, can you see dehydration synthesis in those pictures? Each time they came together, we had what molecule that was also produced? You had to answer that. Water. So this is what it looks like if molecules were as big as people.
Is that good?
We're not talking glucose side right now. Okay, so stay bonded, guys, because this is awesome. This is great to store energy, because remember, energy is released when what happens to bonds? They break. That was in our reading, but you guys are not breaking right now. You guys are separating. Sometimes we do want to break these bonds of these polysaccharides of the starches so we can get energy, right? And so what we do is we set up. Let go. Yeah. Okay. So, oftentimes what happens when I start squirting the bonds is people aren't expecting it and they let go. Okay? But they did a really good job because I told them not to let go earlier, so they stood together. So nice job, you guys. Okay. But in order to break those bonds, what did I add back to them?
Water.
What is the prefix for water? Okay. Thinking of the poll, because we're putting together what we've done with our notes here. What is the word, the Greek word, to burst, to break apart? It begins with an L. It's in your pogo. Lysis. So I'm using water to split you guys apart. Did you see how he split apart just now? He really split apart. Okay. So the hydrolysis is when we add water water to split things apart. Got it? Questions? Okay, it's done.